Hi everybody, I'm finally getting around to trying to make a key to this Commando padlock. I will link a video of picking it a week or so ago. And we're going to see if we can do some what Jeff Moss calls code pressing. I'm going to be cheating with the Blitz code cutting machine. If you guys haven't seen Jeff Moss, check him out. I'll link his channel. He's a locksmith up in Ohio. Pretty cool guy. It's actually an understatement. He's actually a really cool guy. So anyway, to do some code pressing here, or pressing using the code machine. The correct blank, it's the M10, which is the 5-pin M1, which is 4-pin. We're going to go ahead and just cut zeros in all 5 spaces here, just to get our spacing correct. Alright, so now that we've got spaces cut here, we got our HPC clean grip, which is honestly a waste of money. You can just use vice grips. The other nice thing about this, it doesn't tear the key up, but you normally bend the key anyway, so even if you don't tear the key up, the head of the key with vice grips, you're still really not going to give the key to a customer that's bent, because eventually it'll just snap in the lock. So anyway, here we go. We're going to put it in. Go clockwise. Give it a couple little bumps here. Just trying to lift into the direction of the pins here. Take a look. Got a little magnifying glass. Okay, see a mark on. A real good mark on 3 and possibly 1 and 2, but definitely 3. So we'll cut 3. And then what I do too, and it gets like a little scuff on it, but I don't know it's actually a mark, is you can just run the blade over it and give yourself a nice shiny surface. So just kind of polished 1, 2, 4, and 5, and cut number 3. And we go back into the lock. Take a look here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but 3 has a very, very noticeable deep mark in it. So we will cut 3 again. Alright, so now we have 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, I believe, so far. Okay, now 1 has a mark on it, so we'll cut number 1. Take a look at it here. Okay, 3 definitely has a mark. 2 might have a mark on it also. 3 definitely does. Let me cut 3. Yeah, just do 3 for now. You know, if you're not sure, just leave it alone. Okay, I'm actually getting some rotation. Not sure we're getting close. The key is gonna break. Okay, looking at this here, I don't know if you can see that or not, but 3 has a deep gash in it, so I think 3 is probably almost to where it needs to be. So let me just cut that one real quick. You know, with these, you know, it's a Commando Padlock, but it's using a Master Lock core. You know, Master Lock, you know, the tolerances are such, or if you can get within 1 or 2, then you can let's get the lock to turn, at least with pliers or one of these things. Okay, so now it's turned and the lock is open. So it's definitely not the right bitting though, because it's kind of hard. Like, I'm sure I probably would have a hard time turning it without the clean grip. So take a look at it, and yeah, 3 actually marked again. But, you know, it's good enough for an open though, because that's actually working pretty well. So I think 1, 2, and 3 though all are marking. Since I have the code cutting machine, I'm going to cut them all one more time. I would never do this filing. I would just call it good. And since I can just redo it if I'm wrong, then I can. Yeah, no big deal. So I'm going to cut 1 to a 2, 2 to a 1. 3 to a 5. So we're at 21500, I believe. Let's see if it. Okay, that works perfectly. So that's probably the bitting right there. Pull it out here. Yeah, I don't think that the key could work a lot better than this. So there's our bitting on it. It's looks like actually 21500 is what it wound up being. So that works out good. And so now I just need to cut a couple of clean ones that haven't been bent at all for the person I'm sending this back to, and it's good to go. So hopefully the video turns out good. I got the camera on my friggin' head, but any questions or comments, leave them in the comments, and that'll do it for now. We'll talk to everybody later.